In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook automatically deleting emails from inbox. We'll use the Outlook web interface, and I'll walk you through exactly what to change so your legitimate messages stop disappearing. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing Outlook. Click the official Outlook website to launch Outlook on the web, and sign in if prompted. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. If you see an option to view all Outlook settings, go ahead and open that, then choose the Mail section so we can adjust the right controls. First, visit the Rules area. Rules are powerful, but a single misconfigured rule can automatically move or delete messages as soon as they arrive. Carefully review each rule in your list. Look for wording like delete, move to deleted items, or permanently delete, especially if the rule applies to all messages or to a broad set of senders. Delete the rule that's causing messages to be removed. If you're unsure, you can note the rule's name before removing it so you can recreate it later if needed. Next, switch to the junk email settings. At the top of this page, set the filtering level to standard. Exclusive filtering can be too aggressive and may silently divert messages you actually want. Standard gives you protection without over-filtering. In the Security Options section on the same page, uncheck any options that automatically remove or bypass your inbox for messages you might still want to review. For example, make sure Permanently Delete Suspected Junk Email instead of moving it to the junk email folder is turned off, and avoid restrictive settings like Only trust email from addresses in my safe senders and domains if they're causing good messages to be blocked. The idea is to ensure suspicious mail goes to junk, not straight to deletion, so you can quickly rescue anything that was misclassified. Now scroll to blocked senders and domains. If a sender or domain you trust is on this list, their messages will never reach your inbox. Select any legitimate contacts or domains you recognize and remove them from the blocked list so their emails can get through. When you're done, click Save to apply all changes. Return to your inbox and keep an eye on new mail. With the problematic rule removed, junk filtering set to standard, restrictive security options unchecked, and your blocked list cleaned up, Outlook should stop automatically deleting messages and keep your inbox under your control.